I was sent this hand grip strengthener from FitBeast and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here goes. Here's everything that you get in the box. This is a whole kit that comes in this nylon bag with their logo on it. And you get multiple products here. You get a weighted ball that is made out of foam that you can squeeze. So this isn't a lightweight ball. It's got some mass to it. It feels like a gel form inside, and it's about the size of a lacrosse ball, but probably half the weight of a lacrosse ball, if you've ever felt one of those. Here are the other products that you get included. You get 5 in total, plus the instruction manual. Got an instruction manual here that walks you through the exercises that you can do across all 5 of the different tools. Okay, so it's pretty helpful. First off here, this one fits in the palm of your hand like this, and then you can put each individual finger onto the spring-loaded portions here and use that in order to strengthen each one individually or as a group here as you squeeze and compress these springs here and work on your grip. That's this one action here. Like I mentioned, you get the ball itself, which has all kinds of flexibility, but it bounces right back. So as you're squeezing that, you're using the muscles across a variety of different tendons and parts of your hand. You've also got finger grips here that you can put all of your fingertips in, and then you can expand. And this is going to work another set of muscle groups on the outside. So it's not just compression with your hand, it's actually extraction out like this. This is a very strong workout. You're really going to feel that, and you can just see that right in here as these muscles are all working together. You get another flexible ring here. This one is also very malleable and strong, and it allows you to use your hands in different motions to bring different muscles into focus as you squeeze and compress this ring here. All kinds of different things you can do with this one. And then another overall grip strengthening tool here. You're going to have some adjustments from 10 kilograms of pressure all the way out to 60 by adjusting this knob here, because that's going to strengthen this spring's leverage so that as you compress here and work your grip in the insides of your palm area like this, you're going to be able to increase that pressure to give yourself a more difficult workout by moving this in and out of this part here. It increases the leverage against the spring, so it makes it harder to squeeze. Now, all of these tools come with very comfortable hand grips. This has like a rubber inset you can see here on a plastic frame. It's like a nylon feel to it. It looks like it's going to last a very long time. It's lightweight, so you could take it with you. You could have it in your messenger bag or whatnot on the way to work, and you could be working this while you're traveling. This, of course, very lightweight, very easy to use as well, these two here. And here, you're able to actually, you could do 2 things at the same time, one in each hand, as you practice each individual finger with this tool here, or the whole grip with the other one. Hey, this has been a really interesting set of different tools to use for this product. It definitely is going to help you increase your hand grip strength. I hope the video is helpful, and as always, I hope you have a great day.